Hi guys, today I will be unboxing the Nike Zoom Rival M9 track spikes. These shoes are affordable, high quality, and have a nice fit that can improve your performance. I needed new spikes because I lost my old ones. These shoes are a light neon yellow color. The fit is very fitted to your foot. These shoes come with spikes to screw into the shoe, and this is the tool used to do that. After running in these shoes, I can say that they are definitely better than my old Under Armour shoes. They allow for more movement and they are more comfortable to run in. I would recommend these shoes to anyone who is looking for spikes. Thanks for watching. Bye. They allow for more movement and they are more comfortable to run in. These shoes are a light neon yellow color. I would recommend these shoes to anyone who is looking for spikes. Thanks for watching. Bye.